Hello all, welcome to my tutorial. So today we are going to cover that how to install a Python on your Windows machine. So from today onwards we would be starting the tutorials on Python that would help you to learn a Python. So first of all, you have to go to the python.org as I have typed here. Then you have to go to the downloads. There you can get the Windows option. If you are having the Mac OS, you can go to the respective option. If you are using the Windows, then go to the Windows tab, okay, downloads, and there it will show the latest stable version. If you click on Python 3.9.1 in Chrome, it will show you option to keep it or discard it. So if I keep it, it will immediately download that exe file. You have to go to that exe file and on your downloads folder or double click on it, and then it will start running your Python installation. You can install this Python package by following the step like install now, and it will start your installation. Okay, so I have already installed this, so I am canceling this. So once this is installed, it will set your environment variable. So you can check it here, environment, and you can see that into the path it has already set the Python variables. If it hasn't set it, you can click on a new and you can insert your Python path wherever it is installed. For example, this is the path where the Python is installed. You can click on new and just insert the path and just click on OK. So now we have installed a Python. Now how to check that if the Python is installed or not? So next step is open your command prompt. Okay, once on command prompt, type a Python version. Okay, it will give you the version which is installed on your machine. I have installed 3.8.5. Now for opening a Python shell, you can type a Python. Okay, so Python shell has started. Here you can do the basic operation like 1 plus 2. It will give a output, or you can do the print hello. So it will print a hello world. Okay, so this is how you can install the Python and play around with it. If you want to exit the Python shell, then you can type exit, okay, and press enter. So you'll be out of the Python kind of the shell, and this is how you have installed the Python, and you're good to kind of use the Python for your learning. So in next tutorial, we'll be covering the basic stuff on Python. So stay listening to this channel and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.